Yes.
Yes, okay, so let me just quickly do that. It'll literally take me 1 minute. And how did you find the math homework? Were you able to finish it?
I had some problem, but I'm still having some problem.
Okay, yeah. So we will look at that too. So let me just email this to you real quick. And this is conjugation practice and insert file. Yeah, I thought today we'll do some more conjugation practice because it's very important.
Okay.
Present tense worksheet.
I have a question. After we are done with this, are we going to have more classes?
Like what do you mean after this?
Means after we are done with this math worksheet that you have given me.
Oh,
But I just saw it, and we are at the last page.
yes, yeah. So that was basically like the beginning kind of stuff. Like I have other worksheets we're gonna work on too. Because today's class number 12, right? So we have 6 more classes, I think, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so don't worry, we still have some more stuff to go over. But yeah, documents. Oops, I forgot what I was doing. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, I just have to add one letter here. .pdf. Okay. Oops. Oh, it did not work. .pdf. Open. Yeah, it worked. Okay. So I'll just send that and let me share my screen in the meanwhile so we can go over some stuff. So share screen. Okay. So today we're going to do the present tense, right? Regular ER verbs. So if you remember, we actually did this before. Just I think the class before yesterday, right? So in French, it's called le présent, okay? Because these are present tense verbs, right? So when you say like I talk or I eat, right? It's like in the present, right? So then we learned that the conjugation is based on the pronoun. So if it's je, it's going to be parle with e. If it's tu, it's parle es. If it's il, elle, it's parle with e. If it's nous, it's parle with ons. If it's vous, it's parle with ez. And ils, elles is parlant. Okay, so before we even start the worksheet, I just want you to tell me the endings. Okay, so let me write this as well at the side because it's good reference, okay?
Yes,
So
I didn't got your email. I was just checking your email and I didn't got it.
You didn't get it? Okay, wait, let me check. It might take a few minutes. Okay, let me go to sent mail. kishwarbidlo@gmail.com. And it should say present tense worksheet. Did you get it yet?
Just try again if I can find it. किधर? सही है. Hello?
Yes?
I still don't have any.
You didn't get it? It's okay, we can work on it together. Okay.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, perfect. Can you print it?
No, I don't know how to use the printer so well and my father isn't here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so that's fine. You have it at least.
Why have you given us the answers?
Yeah, don't look at the answers. I sent you a whole PDF. Okay, yeah. I completely forgot. It's okay. We're gonna work through it together, like right now in class. And yeah, so don't look at the answers, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so wait, right now just pay attention here. So je, can you tell me the ending?
Is it for the ER verbs?
Yes, for the ER verbs.
Je, E,
Yes. Oops, let me change the color. E, to,
U, E, S.
ES, very good. Oops, 1 second, yeah. ES, IL,
E,
E, very good. Nu,
Uns,
ONS, yes. And vous,
EZ.
oops, I'm trying to write it. Okay, so you said E, ONS, I can't even write it properly. EZ and ES, ENT, very good. Okay, let me just look at one thing. Okay, yeah, that's right. So now let's do the worksheet. Okay, so the thing with this worksheet is you are also gonna have to tell me the pronoun, okay? So which pronoun? So from here, actually, let me try highlighting it. Okay, so from these pronouns, which one means he?
Which one means he? I think il, L.
Okay, so il means he, and elle means she.
Then
Okay.
it's L.
Okay, so then this one's il, and then works. I'll tell you the verb, and you have to conjugate it. So work to travailler.
Travailler.
Yeah. So why not in the chat you write the conjugation for it?
I have a question.
Yes.
For all of these, can I just open the picture on my phone that I can see all of them, or are we not allowed to?
Okay, right now we're like just working through it together, so you don't really have to write anything, right?
Oh, but if I just to confirm, like this is he or this is that, can I just open the worksheet that I took the picture of?
Yeah, you mean this one, right? This table?
Yes, can I open it?
Yes, you can open this.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. It will help you out definitely. And okay, so now let's do number 2. So for I, what word would be je? Very good. And in French, danse is danser. So in the chat, you can say, write how you would write, conjugate it. Okay, let's see. Je danse, perfect. Okay, how about for number 3?
L.
Elle, excellent. And speaks is parler. Okay. Elle. Let's see answer in the chat. Try to keep the chat open. Okay. Created these two, perfect. Parle, excellent. Okay, so elle parle. How about for number 4?
Number 4, ils.
Eels, very good. Okay, eels, and look for is like, oh, okay, search for basically.
And what about else? Because eels and else means the same, they mean the same thing, right?
Yeah, eels and else mean basically the same thing. You can use either here because it didn't tell you if it's a girl or a boy, right? So yeah, but eels is perfect. And then and now conjugate the verb chercher. Okay, let's see. Cherchant, excellent. How
Sure.
about number 5? Cherchant. So you.
For the 6th one is J.
Okay, yeah, for number 6 is je. How about for number 5?
For number 5 it's 2.
2, excellent. Okay, so why don't you conjugate the verb demander for number 5?
Demander. It doesn't has what do you say? ER.
It does have ER. I'm not sure if I wrote it clearly. I'll write it like that. Okay? Better?
Yes.
Demander. Yes, very good. Demands. Okay. How about number 6?
I send it to you.
Okay. Done. Oh yeah, I see. Done. Excellent.
और जो मैं बिल्डिंग में नज़मा आंटी है ना उनके घर पे गई.
Done. Okay. Study in French is étudier. So étudier.
And is going to be nouns.
Yes. Nous. Yes. Excellent. Nous. Rester. Wears is porter. Walk is marcher. Okay, let's give you all of that. Love is aimer. 12 is écouter.
I sent it to you.
Okay, I see that. Nous étudions. So excellent. Yeah. Étudiants. Why not you also put so why not in the chat you put like the number, the question number you're answering, and like the eels or els or like. Okay.
All of it, and I don't say it. I just start writing it.
Yeah, just start writing your answer. I think that'll be faster because mashallah, you're doing them all correctly.
I have to do the 8th one right now, right?
Yes, number 8. Gagner, then we have penser over here.
You can use eels in the number 8 one, right?
Yes. Trouver, we have sauter, we have regarder. Actually, no. Yeah, regarder. We have sing, which is chanter. Okay. Let's see.
Did I do it right?
Okay, so for number week, you have être, restant. Yeah, that works. Yeah, perfect. Eels or as both work. So I'll just write it for you as restant. You can do the next one.
And eel there, double L, right?
Yes. Oh, you mean for ILS?
Yes.
Oh, it's one L, so IL.
ILS.
Yes.
When you look at the picture, it almost looks like double L.
Oh, okay.
And for eel, they are also double L, right?
Okay,
he
so
one.
okay, so il is he, right? So there's one I, one L. And then for L, it's ELLE. This is she.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we're on number 9. He wears. Okay, good job. Il porte. That's mashallah correct. Now do number 10. Il porte.
Give me 1 second.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Je. So I'm writing it right.
Okay. Okay, so for number D's, we have okay, I actually skipped number 10. But okay, for number 11, jam, okay, so that's correct, jam, but you have to remember, you have to put this apostrophe in between them. Okay, right, because jam, there's 2 vowels, and ER verbs are regular, so you need to make sure you put the apostrophe. Okay, and then don't forget to do number 10, you plural walk. So what is the word for you plural? Okay, so two is for you singular. Okay, so if I'm talking to one person, I would say like you walk, right?
You
But if
are.
I'm talking to lots
You
of people,
are. And you are.
so the word would be vous for plural, okay? So vous, and then you would write marcher.
No, say.
Okay, right? Because we're gonna conjugate it for vous. Why don't you try number 12?
Okay.
Douze, yeah. Douze.
I have a question.
Yes.
In number 14, it says use singular feminine.
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me just check that one.
Can you just tell me all of the forms of that and singular and plural, all of them, J, 2, E?
Sure. So basically, eels is no, it's basically you, but it's like
Eels is always eels you.
what?
Eels is they, right?
Eels is they, yeah. Eels is they. Els is also they. I was trying to like make it clear, like it's for feminine. But I can just write they feminine, right? Masculine, feminine, and then what else do you have to remember? Oh yeah, you. Okay, so basically two is you singular. Okay, and then vous, oops, vous is you plural. Okay, and then je is easy, je is just I, and nous is us. Should I write that?
No, I got it.
You got this? Okay, yeah. Perfect. And I saw your answer in the chat, so let me just click that. Nous écoutons, excellent. Wait a second. Wait, well, over here it's they. Okay, so when it's they, yeah, it's ils or as, okay? So then you have to, yeah, maybe try this one again, number 12. It's not we listen, it's they listen.
They. And you can use either eels or else, right?
Yes. Because they didn't specify which one. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so for number 12, you wrote as écoutant, excellent, okay. Okay, as écoutant, so let's do ELLES, écoutant. Okay, very good. Let's try to finish the rest. We have a few more left, not too many. Mhm.
Two is two singular, feminine, right? If we use two, it's singular and feminine, right?
Two, yeah, so two is for singular, yeah, it's for singular and feminine and masculine.
Okay.
So it will work, yes. And for number 13, you wrote nous gagnons. That's correct, mashallah. All right, here, nous gagnons. Okay. Okay, so for 13, 14, you wrote tu penser, and that's yes, correct. Okay, très bien. And then for the other one, you were elle trouve, which is correct. Very good. Let me just write that here. So tu penser, elle trouve. Je sautais, excellent. Je saute. Okay, let's see. Nous regardons. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, these are all correct. Nous regardons.
And we have to do the last three.
Oh yeah, I didn't give you the thing. Okay, so for number 18, it says sing, and singing is chante. So it's right underneath. Sean. Oops, what am I clicking on? Okay, Sean. Wait, you can't even see that. Okay, no, I'm just gonna write over here. Chante. Okay, draws is dessiner. Dessiner. Okay, and visit is visiter. Visiter. Okay. Okay, good job. So I see you wrote tu chanter. Wait a second, which one is it? You sing. So
I did all.
yeah, that's good. Okay. So obviously, okay, so it's not really clear over here, but your answer is correct, tu chanter. But another formal way of saying you is vous. Okay, so vous, okay? So even though it says you plural, if you want to be very formal with someone, you can say vous, and then that would be chanter. But your answer is also correct because, yeah, if you, yeah, two is correct also. And then elle dessiner, that's correct, oui. And je visite.
Can I take a picture of all of this?
Sure. I just finished writing this one. Nous regardons, vous chantez, elle dessine, and je visitais. Okay, excellent. Visitais. Okay, so I'll just zoom out. Is that good?
Maybe a little down.
A little down.
No, it's fine.
Okay, let's get to Fini.
We.
Wait, okay, so let's move on to math now. So yeah, excellent job today. Let's see math.
Let me just bring my calculator.
Yeah, that's important. Let me go get mine too. It's not over here. Okay, I got my calculator too. So now we can start. So, so you got all of these. Just this one was the problem. Oh, the numbers get big. Am I? Okay, I'll just wait till you're back.
Yes, I was stuck on this question.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So, let's do this together. So first, our first variable here is s, and then we have 45 minus 78. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, wait. I kind of see what the problem is here. Let's first do the top. So we want to simplify the top first, right? So over here, the exponent is 1. Okay, so we have s 45 plus 1 is our exponent here. And then over here on the t, there's exponent 1, right? Because when there's
45 plus 81, and then we can do minus 76. I think.
yes, 76, and then we have t 28. Okay, so why not you tell me what that would be?
First, you can just write as 50 because I would forget it.
Okay, yeah, s
50.
plus 50, okay.
And I think it's going to be 1 minus 28.
1 minus 28.
I think it's going to be negative 27.
Okay, wait, so because look, there's also at the top we have two t's. We have t1, but we also have t81. Okay, so first you have to add 81 plus
81.
wait, how do you get 50? Wait a second. Wait. How did you get 50? It's for
It's like
plus
5.
1, so it would be 46. Because
46. How?
just simplifying the top, just a multiplication. Just look at the top part first, yeah.
Yes. It's going to be S 45 plus S 81.
The 81 is on the T.
Oh, I think that I was wrong. It's going to be S1 then. Because the S is empty and empty S equals to 1.
Yes. Okay, so maybe it's more clear now.
It's going to be 46 minus 76. It's going to be negative 30.
Okay, yes, very good. So I can write negative 30 here. And then for T,
it's 81 plus 1 minus 28. It's 52.
it's 52. Really, I got 54. Wait, let me check again. 82 minus 28. What are you getting?
It's 54.
54, okay.
Yeah,
So
we'll do
it's
81 plus 182 minus 28. It's
Did you get 54?
yes.
Yes, okay, perfect. Let's do the next one together as well. This one looks complicated, but it's pretty simple if you just do it one step at a time. So over here we have, so the top is already kind of simplified, like you don't have to multiply anything. So if you want to rewrite this, just the top part, what would you write?
We have to write it. We are going to write negative. The top part is pretty simplified.
Yeah, it's pretty simplified. If you wanted, you can rewrite S0 to like 1, which is just nothing. Like you don't have to write it, but anyways, that's fine. Okay, let's simplify the bottom actually. I think that'll make more sense, okay?
It's going to be 9 plus 0 plus 7. The 0 is
Yes.
actually nothing because the 9 has a 0.
Yes. Okay.
It's going to equal to 16.
Okay.
I've done some questions like these, but they always get that wrong.
Okay. Let's see how you do it. We do
You
it
know,
together.
because you told me we have to do everything like this because I was minusing each of them. Like 9 minus 34, 9 minus.
Oh no, yeah. No, you have to like simplify the numerator, simplify the denominator, and then do the final subtraction.
Yes, and it's Q, it's not 9.
Yeah, it's Q.
Then for R, we are going to do 8 plus 6 plus 74. Or it's going to be 88.
38, good. And then for S,
that's going to be 8 plus 8 plus 50. It's going to be 66. And then
so actually there's a 4 on this S. You see here?
yeah, it's going to be 4 plus 8 plus 50. It's going to be 62.
Yes, 62, good job. And one more letter, we have T.
T is going to be 0 plus 0 plus 12 is equals to 12.
Yes, very good. Okay, so then this is just the denominator. Okay, so this denominator over here becomes Q16. Just like not even clear. Let me write it nicely. Okay, so Q16, but we have one more step to do. So R88, S62, and T12. Okay, now we have to subtract.
Yes, that's going to be Q, that's going to be 34 minus Q16, that's going to be 81.
Okay.
18. That's going to be 18.
Good. Next letter.
That's going to be 74 minus 88. It's going to be negative 14.
Very good.
It's going to be 0 minus 62. And it's going to be negative 62.
Very good.
And it's going to be 1 minus 12. That's going to be negative 11.
Negative 11. Mashallah, very good. It was a little long, but correct, very good. Okay, let's do this one now.
It's going to be R8 plus.
So let's first do the numerator. Let's simplify the numerator.
R8 plus 93. It's going to be 101.
Okay, you want to do a denominator first?
Yes.
Okay, so 101.
And for top, it's going to be 1.
Yes, very good. 1.
We can do 1 minus 101. It's going to be negative 100.
Okay, oh yeah, so you just want to do, okay, yeah. So R 100, yeah, that works. Negative 100.
Then we can do S7. I think I did something wrong.
Okay, so instead of doing it letter by letter, okay, first do the whole numerator. So first make this all into like one term. So first add the R exponents, add the S exponents.
Okay, then it's going to be the X exponent is going to be 77 plus 1 to 78.
Yes, okay, and now we're gonna simplify the denominator. So like what is this whole thing? gonna be
It's
equal
going to be 7 plus 8, 15.
So 7 plus 8, 15. Yes. Okay. Now, once you have these two, now you can subtract.
It's going to be 63.
And 63. Oh, I forgot to write the negative. Really? Oops. Yeah, I should have written that. Okay, my bad. What number are we at? Okay. So wait, do you understand how to do it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So like first simplify the whole numerator, simplify the whole denominator, and then do the final subtraction.
I just want to do it till 90 with you because I think after 90 it starts to get harder.
Okay, yeah, sure. So let's do this one together. I don't mind.
It's going to be 9. First we are going to the denominator. It's going to be 9 plus 73.
Okay.
Going to equal to 82.
82. Okay, what else? Other letter we have?
It's going to be U1 plus U6. It's going to be 7.
Yes.
Then it's going to be 65 plus V1 is going to be 66.
1, yes, 66. Okay, and then, so this is for our denominator. And then our numerator is already simplified.
Then it's going to be T1 minus 82.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 81.
Yes.
It's going to be TU1 minus 7. It's going to be negative 6.
Excellent.
And it's going to be 7 minus B66. It's going to be negative 59.
Okay, excellent. Let's try that. Mashallah, excellent. Are we at 90? No, we have to one more.
First I'm going to denominator. It's going to be Q89 plus Q89 because it's 0 plus 0.
Yes.
It's going to be R5 plus 1. It's going to be 6.
Yes.
And it's going to be S74 plus 0. That's going to be 74.
Yes, very good. At the top, we have the same Q50, R5, S44, and now we just have to subtract them.
Then to Q50 minus 89, that's going to be negative 39.
Yes.
R5 minus 6 is going to be negative 1.
Yes.
Negative 44 minus negative minus 75 is going to be negative 31.
Okay, so it's 44 minus 74.
Minus 74. Okay. It's going to be negative 30.
Negative 30. Perfect. And so from here, you can do it?
Yes, I can try to it.
Yeah, I think it's good if you try. And let me get rid of my letters I wrote. Okay, yeah. And then, oops, okay. So that is, okay, yeah, good. You just have this one to finish. And then, did you try number 14?
Yes, I tried it and I got farther back.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. So this one's a little tricky, but it's okay. Let's do it together. Select all the expressions that are equivalent to 5 to exponent negative 5 divided by 5. So, oops. Let me get my pen again. Yeah. So first of all, the exponent here is 1. Okay. So, and another way to write this would be 1 over 5 to exponent 5 divided by 5 to exponent 1. Okay.
How is this another way to write it?
Divided by 5 to exponent 1. And then do you know when we divide by a number, we multiply by its reciprocal?
Huh? I don't know.
No? Okay, so I think they're going to teach you this later. But let me just show you so that you've seen it before. Okay, so and then once you do this, you would get 1 over 5 to exponent 6. Okay, so if you don't know this rule yet, I'll just teach it to you now because you're going to need to know it. I'm just thinking there's like another way to write it. Yeah, there is another way to write it. Okay, so if you don't know this rule, I'll explain it maybe after. But another way you can do it is 5 to exponent negative 5 minus 1. Okay, so what does that give you?
Negative.
Yeah.
Negative 5 minus 1. 1 will give me negative 6.
Negative 6, very good. And if you want to write this as a positive exponent, how would you write it?
1 upon negative 6.
1 upon 5 to exponent 6.
Yes.
Okay, so this is equal. Okay, so then which answers match?
Number 1.
Yes, and
And number 1, I think.
how about this one? This is also equal.
Yes, this one also. And number 2.
And number 3.
3.
Okay, so yeah, so basically you just have to like rewrite this fraction.
Yes.
Okay, so never mind what I did here. You're gonna learn it, but it's okay. I'm not gonna confuse you right now. Even if you just do minus 5, and then since it's dividing minus 1, it will give you this.
Okay.
Okay, so that's how you do, oops. That's how you do this one. Okay, let's see this one now. Oops, it's not letting me open my pen. Close this. Yeah, okay. So all the expressions are equivalent to this times this. Okay, so when we have the exponent the same, do you remember what we did? When we have the same exponent?
We plus them.
We plus them?
We
No.
multiply them.
Yeah, we multiply them. Perfect. Okay, so 2 times 7, and then we can put in brackets to the exponent negative 2.
And
Right, that's
7
one of the
is
exponent rules we learned, right?
2 times 7 is negative 14, and 3 to negative 14 and negative 2.
So basically this number is positive, this number is positive, right? So when we do 2 times 7, we get positive 14.
Yes,
The
positive 14.
exponent stays negative 2.
Yes.
Okay, and then what would be equivalent to this?
The second last one and the last one.
The second last one and the last one. Very good, because this would also be 1 over 14 to exponent 2. Okay, yeah, perfect. So this one and this one. Very good. Let's do this one now. Okay, all the expressions are equivalent to this. So if they're in the same exponent, right, they have exponent 2 and exponent 2. So you can write 12 over 2 to exponent 2. Now what's 12 divided by 2?
It's going to be 12 divided by 2. By 2 it's going to be 6.
6, good. 6 to exponent 2. So then which answers match up?
Number 2.
Number 2. Any others?
The last one.
The last one. How would you rewrite the last one?
We are going to write negative. We are going to write 1. We are just going to raise them, and it's going to be 6 and 2.
So this one would be 6 to exponent negative 2, right? Because 1 over,
Okay.
remember? So we only have one good answer here.
Okay.
Okay, and let's try this one. Oops, I'm trying to erase my drawings. Okay, yeah.
For this one, we are going to do 5 plus 5. It's going
It's
to be
being
the number
multiplied.
multiply 5 times 5. It's going to be 25 and 9.
So close, but okay. So remember over here, the exponents are not the same. One has exponent 9, one has
Yes.
exponent 1. Okay, so you cannot do 5 times 5. Like that's only if the exponent is the same. But over here, the base is the same. So when you're multiplying exponents with the same base, you add their exponents.
I'm going to do 1 plus.
So 5 to exponent 10. 1
5
plus
to
9.
Yes, 5 to exponent 10.
Okay, so this is correct, but there's also another way we could, that's correct.
Okay.
So which other one is correct? So for like these kind of questions, you have to check if any other one is also right. You have to simplify the other ones.
Yes, that equals to 5 times.
And the exponent would be?
The exponent will be, I think, this one. The 5 and the 2 one.
Yeah, so 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, so this is also equal. So this is also an answer. And then is this one an answer?
No.
No, right? Because 9 cannot be the same. Now for this one, notice how the exponents, where are the exponents? What's the exponent on 10?
It's 10.
10, and the exponent on 2?
10.
10. So we can use our rule 10 over 2 to the exponent 10.
Yes.
And now what's 10 over 2?
10 over 2. It's going to be 10 over 2. Let's try 10 over 2.
10 divided by 2 is 5. Good. And the exponent is the same. So this one is also an answer.
Yes.
Okay. So let's select these 3. Excellent. Okay. So we still have 3 minutes. So let's do this one. Select all the expressions that are equivalent to this.
It's going to be 5 plus 0, and it's going to be 12, 5.
Okay.
It's going to be in the second last one.
The second last one. Very good.
And it's going to be the first one also.
So for the first one, remember, when you have power to a power, you're going to multiply the exponent. So what's 4 times 1?
4.
4, yeah. So this one's a trick question, but basically, this one would not be equal.
Yes, only the second last one is equal.
Yes, excellent. Good job. Okay, let's do this one.
It's going to be 3 plus 5. It's going to be 8. It's going to be the second one.
Yes.
It's going to be the first one also.
Very good. There's one more. I'll give you that hint.
Yeah, it's going to be, maybe it's going to be the last one.
Last one, yes. And can you explain why it's the last one?
It's going to be 9 and 9, and it's going to equal to 9.
So how about the exponents? What's the exponent on the bottom one?
9.
The exponent?
It's 9.
So the exponent on the bottom was 1.
Yes.
Like you don't see it, right? So then 9 minus 1 is 8.
8.
Okay, so that's how that one works. Very good, very good. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you can finish this. It's at 64 now, right? So you have this one for homework, and then let's quickly, we have I think like 1 or 2 minutes, which is enough to cover. Which topic should we do now? I think integers is very simple. Let's do scientific notation. Okay, yeah, I like this topic. Okay, so do you know what scientific notation is?
No.
No? Okay, that's fine. So
It's 5 o'clock.
Yeah, it's okay. Let me at least introduce this topic so you have a chance to practice it or like at least try the problems.
Yes.
Okay, so let's quickly go over this. So how do you write 22 in scientific? Do you have anywhere to go right now?
I have another class at 5 o'clock, but it can wait. It's just like a class.
Okay, I'm just gonna read through this. Okay, so how do you write 22 in scientific notation? So the first factor must be at least 1 and less than 10. Okay, so the first number has to be between 1 and 10, and the second factor must be a power of 10. Okay,
Okay.
so you want to move the decimal point to the left until the number is between 0 and 1. So the number can be like 1, 1.1, 1.2, 2 point something, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Count. So for 22, you have to divide it by 10. So then you get 2.2. And then you move the decimal place 1 place to the left. So the power of 10 is 10 to exponent 1.
I didn't got it.
You didn't get it. Okay, so let's try this one together. Okay, so basically how you do it is oops, let me quick. Oh, oops. Okay, I don't know what happened. Anyways, I lost the screen. Wait, can you see my screen?
No.
No. Okay, so I'll explain the next class, inshallah.
Okay.
Yeah. When is our next class?
On Monday.
On Monday. Okay, perfect. So I'll see you on Monday, inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah,
Allah Hafiz.
on Monday, are we going to have a full week like today, or we are going to have it just on the regular days?
So for next week, we have on Monday class. Okay, let me just look at my calendar 1 second. Okay, so on Tuesday, if you want, we can also have a class next week too.
Okay, I'm fine. Maybe I can just ask my mother if you have to go somewhere or not.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, let me know. Okay, we'll decide for sure on Monday. Okay.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Class is over.
Can I leave?
Yes.